In a dimly lit physics laboratory, the air is thick with anticipation. A scientist stands at the edge of a complex apparatus, preparing for a pivotal moment. They activate the machinery, sending individual particles towards a screen. As the particles travel, they behave paradoxically, appearing as waves. They create a mesmerizing interference pattern. But when observation begins, the pattern collapses. If observation affects quantum systems, does reality require an observer? Could that ultimate observer be God? For centuries, philosophers have pondered the nature of reality. Does the universe exist independently or depends on perception? Quantum mechanics has turned this question into a scientific controversy. Initially, classical physics dominated our worldview. The universe was seen as a predictable machine, a vast clockwork. Then quantum theory shattered this view. Wave-particle duality became our gateway into the quantum realm. Particles, like electrons, oscillate between states. They can exist in superposition, holding multiple outcomes. The double-slit experiment reveals this mystery. Imagine firing particles towards two unobserved slits. They create an interference pattern when unobserved, but measuring them shows distinct paths. What a contradiction. What really does it mean to observe in quantum physics? An observer isn't solely a conscious mind. It refers to a physical interaction and measurement. Whether a camera, sensor, or environment, the effects remain. The act of observation is more complex than anticipated. We encounter the measurement problem, probabilities versus reality. Our everyday experience points to solid, existing realities. This conflict sends scientists into interpretive phase. The Copenhagen interpretation posits wave function collapse. Yet the many worlds interpretation suggests branches of universes. Each event spawns every possible outcome into existence. Decoherence explains how quantum states settled to classical forms. We explore relational quantum mechanics indicating contextual existence. Schrödinger's cat exemplifies the merger of quantum and reality. A cat, alive and dead, until observed. Where does reality begin? We confront the dilemma of observation and existence. Not merely about human awareness, consider entanglement. Particles linked regardless of distance deepen our insights. Reality doesn't wait. It's woven through physical interactions. These revelations raise profound inquiries into consciousness. Why do such intricate laws exist? Might a greater intelligence weave through this universe? The journey distills down to three possibilities: pure interactions, consciousness's role, or divine intelligence. As the experiment concludes, one path emerges from possibilities. What rendered that result real? A machine, an interaction, a conscious mind? Quantum physics doesn't reveal God as the ultimate observer, but it confronts humanity with a profound mystery of existence. Were we born of a mindless universe, or was consciousness integral from the start? Each theory beckons us to a deeper exploration of reality. As the scientist prepares, deeper inquiries arise in their mind. What if every decision to observe shapes the very fabric of reality? Could our thoughts influence the quantum dance fundamentally? Neuroscientists draw parallels between our awareness and particle behavior. Is consciousness a participant in determining reality? David Bohm saw quantum mechanics revealing an interconnected whole. A relationship between implicate order and consciousness emerges. Widener suggested consciousness as key to wave function collapse. Stapp's view: mind and matter are enmeshed with quantum states. Could our choices align with quantum probabilities? This question challenges determinism and free will alike. Does our perception of time undergo alterations from consciousness? Quantum biology reveals life imbued with quantum significance. Are we active participants in the unfolding of reality? Engage with insights from various spiritual traditions. Consider God as the very laws of nature that bind existence. Could intention and thought influence this cosmic dance? Explore how consciousness shapes a worldview beyond measurement. Dare to bridge science with spirituality for transformative insights. With each decision, we co-create our enriched reality. Resonate with the narrative of quantum interconnectivity. Imagine a world driven by empathy and mutual creation. Embrace paths forged in intentionality and collective love. Let quantum principles guide us in the pursuit of connection. Awakening liberates the potential richly grounded in purpose. Acknowledge the vibrant truths stitched into existence. Foster realms of compassion that ripple through time and space. In every moment, we wield the power to influence outcomes. Cultivate awareness, fostering unity over separation. This quest for meaning reflects both the cosmos and individual. It becomes paramount now to reckon with the intertwined nature of observer and observed. The notion of God as an observer isn't merely a theological abstraction. Can we eradicate the illusion of separation between us and the universe? If we embrace the idea that we are active participants in the grand cosmic play, how might our understanding of divinity and interconnectedness evolve? Let's journey through the philosophical corridors that frame our understanding of consciousness. The holographic universe theory suggests our reality is akin to a hologram. Each conscious being embeds their unique experience within the expansive universe. If consciousness is fundamental to quantum processes, does this imply a higher consciousness? Perhaps God exists as an omnipresent consciousness knitting together awareness. The concepts of unity and spiritual traditions challenge us to redefine divinity, conceiving God as omnipresent energy flowing through existence. Quantum mysticism intertwines science and spirituality, offering insights. Alignments with quantum principles beckon humanity toward cosmic awakening. We each vibrate at unique frequencies, creating resonance and shared essence. As we delve into implications of quantum entanglement, are separations an illusion? Every spark of awareness stitches together the cosmic tapestry of existence. Engagement in conscious relationships mirrors divine essence. Picture communities acknowledging interconnected threads united in purpose. Education and social justice find transformative power in interconnectedness. Small actions ripple into vast realities, guided by intention. Quantum healing emphasizes energetic interconnectedness and well-being. Our thoughts and beliefs become catalysts for vibrant realities. Reconceptualizing beliefs informs our actions, radiating positive interactions. By embracing responsibility, we become alchemists of positive change. Imagine communities united in compassion and shared purpose. Education, art, and literature bloom anew through cosmic awareness. Contemplation allows individuals to navigate transformative potential. Distinct dimensions of existence invite meaningful engagements. Shifting our mindset reveals the capacity for impact on collective experiences. What can we learn about ourselves as we engage across philosophical realms? These explorations inspire us to embrace uncertainty as fertile ground. Awareness of interconnections offers responsibility and resilience. Together, we reshape the world through empathy, compassion, and love. This shift bridges science, spirituality, and community. Reality beckons us to ask, how can we participate in God's essence? As we delve near the crescendo, we realize boundaries blend beautifully. We herald a rising consciousness that reflects and unites. The intersection of thought inspires further journeys into the unknown. In these interactions, every narrative becomes a collective experience. Being co-creators involves mindful presence in our daily lives. Transcending self through connection transforms the nature of existence. As we blend science and spirituality, new paths toward understanding arise. Awakening vibrates through our intentions, creating communal ripples. How do these truths reshape the foundation of our values? Together, let us emerge as conscious participants harmonizing with the universe. Guided by love, fueled by consciousness, we can craft new realities. As the scientist in the lab embodies the vital thread linking awareness, every action constructs reality. Dance with the waves, mine the particles. Cultivate tangible chapters of reality through each observation. We are part of the radiant holographic image woven with intention. In every observation, we reveal the universe's unfolding splendor.